To install free always on display themes in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down wheel to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe the notification panel and then tap settings icon, and then tap themes. Select AODs and then tap top option menu and then tap free. Select AODs themes you want, and then tap download. Downloading, please wait until complete. Tap apply to apply. What do you want to show? Clock and image or image only? And then tap done. Always on display applied. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.